Hello students, myself Neeraj Kumar, the computer teacher of your school, again came back with a new video in which I shall explain about the types of operating system, that is the topic of chapter 1, unit 3 and for class 9. As students, as you know, operating system is the master software of any computer, which is firstly and initially installed in our computer for working. As we know, the evolution of various computing systems developed the various operating system, and they are different on the basis of interface they provided to the users. So, the operating system is classified into two different types on the basis of interface they provide. The first operating system is CUI operating system. CUI operating system, that stands for Character User Interface Operating System. It is a text command driven operating system. Users are needed to know about the text commands to work on the computers. There's no graphics and images on the screen. A screen appears with black background and with a white text. Here, the mouse will not assist the users to make their work fast and easy. All commands are typed and entered through the keyboard. But CUI's operating system have become gradually outdated as the more advanced GUI operating system means graphical user interface operating systems taking its place. But now all the modern computer using this operating system as in modified version, which is called CLI, means command line operating system, command line interface operating system, that provides a Windows based environment. So some example of CUI operating systems are MS-DOS and Unix. As friends, it is also very important to explain here that in CUI operating system, as I told you, users are needed to know about the commands. After that, it will be possible to do work onto the computer. So what are these commands and how we write the commands? Basically, the commands such as the CUI commands means simply talking about the DOS commands, because MS-DOS and Unix are the two exclusive examples of the CUI operating system. Here I am only explaining about some important commands used in DOS, used in disk operating system, MS-DOS. For example, MD command. MD stands for make directory. This command is simply put near the command prompt. You will see the command prompt in the picture. So we'll have to write MD and the name of the folder. Here folder is known as directory. So MD command stands for make directory, will help you to create a directory in your computer. CD command, change directory, will help you to change the directory. dir command will basically help you to display the list of files and folders in the current directory, and so on. Copy command, tree command, xcopy command, rain command. So are the different, and the number of commands are there in MS-DOS that can be used to handle with the computers. So now I have to know about the GUI. GUI means graphical user interface. It is the most popular and widely used operating system these days that provides the graphical surrounding to the users to interact with the computer. Here users are not Yeah, it is not needed is to know about the commands. Users will users are not needed to know about the commands. Will not necessary to know about the commands. Remember the commands. All they will get the ready-made commands available in the list form. When we click onto the menu, the listed commands will appear. So we'll have to choose the commands. We'll have to select the commands using the mouse or the keyboard according to the purpose or according to the command that we require, according to the job we require. So no need to remember the commands here. You will see the mouse also will help you to make your work fast and easy here. Students, as we know, the images which are present on the screen are either the image of files, folders, applications, programs, etc. And these all images which are present on the screen are known as icons in Windows operating system. And this all are, or these images may be also in the form of the command icons. So here the small pictures appears on the screen is known as known as icons. But in Windows operating system, basically talking about the Windows operating system, which is an example of a GUI operating system, graphical user interface operating system, the screen onto which the different small images are present, which are called icons, is known as desktop. So some examples of the GUI operating system are Windows, Linux, Symbian, Mac operating system, etc. So we'll meet you again about the types of the operating system as per the services provided by an operating system at a time. So till have a nice day and thank you.